Hey friends! Ever wanted to paint something super easy and fun? Today we're painting a simple boat with watercolor. Even if you have zero experience with watercolor or painting, by the end of this video you have your very own little boat. I list everything you need for this painting in the caption, so check out. But don't worry, you can use whatever you have at home, any kind of paper or any kind of color. If you'd like me to explain any specific technique or material in more detail, let me know in the comment. First, we sketch the paper boat and lightly erase the line. Then, using a big brush and clean water, we wet the inner surface. As always, we start with a light, diluted color, and while the paper is still wet, we can add any color we like wherever we want. The key here is to build up the color gradually. Start from light to dark. This is called the wet on wet technique, a simple yet powerful watercolor trick that we'll be using a lot. For the boat, we mix blue and brown to create a gray tone. The edges will be darker, while the inside of the boat stay lighter. Since my blue background is still wet, I can add a few drops of clean water to create some cool effect. Then, using the same gray color but slightly darker, I outline the boat with broken, sketchy line.
Getting sprung, we used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
I also want to add an anchor, so first I sketch it lightly with a pencil, then go over with a fine liner. You can use any black pen or paint for this.
Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
Finally, I add a few bubbles around it.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go?
And as always, at the end we add highlight with white paint to create contrast and make the painting pop. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have you ever painted a boat before? And if you want to learn more easy watercolor painting like this, make sure to subscribe and check out my previous video. Thank you for your watching and see you in next video.